Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. lSNS Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. So today we are going to see about user interface testing in software engineering. So it plays an important role in the software testing process. There should be interaction between the user and the interfaces. So how the system and the user can interact each other, and what are the benefits they have to face, and what are the different types they are using. Like we are going to see about user face testing into user interface testing. So the user interface testing means it is a technique used to identify the presence of defects is a product or software under testing by using graphical user interface. It means it is used to identify the defects of the product or it may be a software by using the GUI technology. So GUI texting, it consists of lot of characteristics. First thing, it is based on the hierarchical graphical front end to the application containing graphical objects with a set of properties. So first thing, it is based on the hierarchical graphical fonts. Front end interfaces along with an application. It means it will support the front end options. So it works within front end. During execution, the value of the properties of each objects of a GUI define the GUI state. Each and every time they have to face within state. How the operation can be performed, we have to identify one by one. So here the capacity to exercise GUI event is like key pressing, mouse clicking, dragging, dropping, deleting. Using the mouse operations also we can easily identify the operations. So it is able to provide input to the GUI objects. GUI representation, it will see the consistent expected ones. So it is strongly depend on the used technology also. Based on the technology, GUI interfaces varies from one environment to another one. So these are the some of the approaches used in the GUI testing. First one is based on the manual based, second one capture and relay, third one model based. Next, in that third model base, it can be categorized into two things: event based model, state based model, and also nowadays they are using domain based model also. So, manual based means it's a domain and application based one. Knowledges, it is used for the testing purpose. Capturing and relay means based on capture and relay, it will perform the operation. Modeling means we all know that it is based on the execution of the session, that is an a template for executing the operations. Model based. Event based means according to the event only, that is in stages only, we can move from one to another. So that is based on the event based. State based one is based on state, at least one they have to face within all the state. Top to bottom they have to execute the informations. Domain based, it is based on the different applications. Next to configuration testing. It means it is a type of software testing that verify the performance of the system under development against the various combination of software and hardware. User interface testing, it is based on the GUI. So in that they are using the configuration testing. It is based on both hardware and software. They will identify the flaws, issues which are mismatching from the different environment. So this is a testing process of testing the system under each and configuration of supported software and hardware. It will support based on the software and hardware. So objective of the configuration testing: adaptability to different environment, evaluation to the of the stability. That means adaptable to different configuration. So it will execute in all the different environment. Then only we can easily go with that particular product. So setup and settings should be different from different product and platforms. So they have to easily execute by the customer or users. So it should be stable one, various configuration, find and fix any configuration, specific problem that might be causing an crashes, unstable systems or stranger behavior. So testing and user experience is that, so they will identify the uh, different methodology used for testing along with an user experience. So GUI is the software adjusted to various screen sizes, resolution and display settings, security throughout configuration. So configuration should be it will be recovered from the vulnerability, because so we cannot easily uh, gives an authorized permission for accessing the information. It should be unauthorized, secured. That is, security is a key features of the this configuration testing. Compatibility of the network. So various compatible setup is used for making the network easily. We can speed up the network latency, etc. Data compatibility. Check if the program can manage a range of data configurations such as diverse sources, databases, file format, verify, etc. So types of configuration testing. It may be a software configuration testing. It may be a hardware configuration testing. Software configuration testing, it based on application under the test. It can be test operating systems, so browser versions, etc. Hardware means it test based on the lab, which are the systems which are adaptable to the particular testing configuration. That is, software will support the given hardware. From this, I conclude that different types of user interface testing and the configuration testing. Thank you.